Hi there. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to check the estimated ink levels from a HP Photosmart 7510. This is nice and simple and can be done directly from the little touchscreen control panel you can find on the front of the printer. And all we do is click this little ink icon from the home screen of the printer. It's there. And then we'll be brought into a visual representation of how much ink the printer thinks is in the photo black, magenta, cyan, yellow and black ink cartridge. As you can see here, my magenta, cyan and yellow are running pretty low, so they've got those little exclamation marks there. But if you're checking the estimated ink levels because of a print quality problem you've been having, it's actually unlikely to be the ink cartridges themselves, which are just simple kind of pots of ink that get pushed through like a mechanical printhead within the printer. And if you're looking to resolve those print quality issues, I'd recommend checking out our separate video for cleaning cycles and printing test pages. If you found this video useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, pop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.